In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch XDefiant Esports on ESPN, so you can enjoy competitive gaming action. Let's get started. XDefiant Esports tournaments or highlights may air on ESPN networks like ESPN, ESPN2, or the ESPN app. To watch, check the official XDefiant or ESPN schedule for event timings and the corresponding channels. You can stream these events live using a cable or streaming service that includes ESPN, such as Hulu's, plus Live TV, YouTube TV, Sling TV, or Fubo TV. If you're using the ESPN app, download it on your device and log in with your TV provider credentials. Navigate to the Esports or Live Sports section to find XDefiant coverage. If you have ESPN Plus, additional esports content or replays may also be available there. For uninterrupted viewing, ensure you have a stable internet connection. If you miss the live broadcast, check if your streaming service offers DVR functionality to record the event. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy XDefiant Esports on ESPN.